Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow our Telegram channel to stay updated, because I'm giving consistent updates on gold on our Telegram channel. So, if you would love a back-to-back update on gold, and you would love a consistent update on gold, then follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting on gold for now. At first, I told you guys, we were ranging within this level. You clearly can see that market was ranging within this level. Now, let me explain it. When markets came to this level, this is our resistance level, right? What the market do next? It did what? It dropped to this our support level. You can see it. Then it did what again? It came to this our resistance level. And guess what? Market eventually dropped to this our support level. What did it do next? It came again to this resistance level. Now, to those of you that were following this channel consistently, I told you clearly, there is proof. You can go back to, you can go to the channel and, check. If you go back to the channel, there's proof there. The videos are still there. I clearly mentioned that gold will break above this level, that you should not go ahead and sell, that those people who are selling here will get stopped out. Exactly what I predicted is what markets happened. That is exactly what market did, and it did what? It eventually pushed up. You can see. So those people that were selling, because this was those people that were selling around there thinking this is the resistance level, all been stopped out. You can see it has been stopped out, which you can cause this as a false breakout, which is to take out a lot of people's stop loss. Now, with what you are seeing now, market is doing what? Market has now pulled back to this the ranging markets move. Now it has now given us a pullback to test this resistance level. What next do we expect? So another drop. So our long-term movement on gold, long-term forecast or long-term buyers on gold is to the downside. So we should be expecting a sell to come to tap this our support level. Now, this movement is likely to happen within a period of 3 to 6 months. So it depends on how volatile gold is likely to be. So it depends on how volatile. Before the US election, by the way, so we should expect it to actually tap this, the support level. So if you are a swing trader, if you are a position trader, your buyers on gold, you can start hopping in on the sell right now, right, for gold, which you'll be expecting more. So our still bias on gold is to the downside, so be expecting more movements on gold. Follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see how it goes that way.